Question 20. Here are the first 5 terms of a quadratic sequence. Find an expression in terms of n for the nth term of this quadratic sequence in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Well, they're asking you to find the nth term, so they didn't really need to include much of that, apart from they want you to keep it in this particular form at the end. So the first thing will be to try and work out what our difference is. So our first difference is going to be 3, because we're adding 3, and then we've got 7, and then we're adding 11, and then we're adding 15. So predictably you could work out what the next ones are, because if you look, the second level difference is that we're adding 4, and then we're adding 4, and then we're adding 4. Now this is the bit you need to remember. Whatever that second level difference is, you halve that to find the coefficient of x squared. So we know that if we divide that by 2, then our coefficient of x squared is going to be 2. So it's going to be 2, sorry, not xn, 2n squared. So we know what the sequence n squared is. It's 1, 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, etc. So 2n squared is double that. So that would be 2, and then 8, and then 18, and then 32, and then 50. The next stage is to take away the original sequence. So you do 2 take away 1, leaves you with 1. 8 take away 4, leaves you with 4. 18 take away 11, leaves you with 7. 32 take away 22, leaves you with 10. And 50 take away 37, leaves you with 13. And you get a much more familiar sequence, because this time our first difference is that we are adding 3 each time. So our nth term for this sequence is going to be 3n, and then either take away 1 or work out what number before that would be, so it's 3n minus 2. So going back to our original sequence, all we had to do was put those two together. So we've got 2n squared plus 3n minus 2. So we work out the second difference, use that to find out how many n squareds we need. You know the n squared sequence, write down what that many n squareds would be, so this time timesing that by 2. Take away the second sequence, so the original sequence from the one you've just worked out, and then find the nth term of that one and tag it onto the end.